Hi everyone, this is me, Saminzee. Welcome to my YouTube channel, somycrafty. This is my jewelry making channel. I upload regularly beading tutorials, videos, beading videos, photographs for my lovely viewers. And if you like my work, I request all my viewers, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon of my channel for notifications of new videos. Thank you. Today I am going to show you how can you make elegant jewelry with pearls. I'm using 10 mm size, big size pearls, white pearls, and I'm using stones, 8 mm stones, rhinestones in this pattern. As you can see on your screens, very elegant, very beautiful jewelry. In this way we can make with stones and with pearls. I used golden seed beads in this project. You can replace it with silver. In this video I will show you how can you make an elegant beaded bracelet with these pearls, and I will show you a short video of same pattern earrings, and following the same steps and following the same pattern, my lovely viewers, you can make easily beaded necklace, pearl beaded necklace with this pattern. We are making this jewelry in herringbone stitch pattern, which is my favorite pattern stitch, and it is very easy to work in this pattern. We have picked in start 5 seed beads, size 8 golden seed beads, and after making knots we have started in herringbone style, in herringbone pattern, adding golden seed beads. We added one pair of golden seed beads, and then we added one more pair of golden seed beads. In this way we will add four pairs of seed beads, and then we will add our white pearls, a big white pearl in 10 mm size. Very beautiful design jewelry today you will see I will make for you. Now I picked 2 more golden seed beads. I passed through my pearl which I added, and then I passed through previous seed beads. I will pass through 2 previous seed beads, and then I will come back to passing through my pearl, and now my thread is coming out from one seed bead, and now I am adding 2 more seed beads, and then I will pass through one of my previous 2 seed beads in herringbone stitch pattern. I am adding these seed beads, and now I am going to add a stone, very sparkly, very beautiful stone. It has 4 holes. The stone is 8 mm size stone. It will enhance our jewelry, very sparkly. I have passed my needle from 2 holes of right side, and here I will pick 2 seed beads, and now I will pass through the next two holes, left side holes of stone, and I will go to the next side where I will pass through two previous golden seed beads, and in this way, following the pattern, herringbone stitch pattern, I am adding these seed beads, golden seed beads, and now I'm coming back to stone holes, and then I pass through one of my previous seed bead. Here I will add two more seed beads, I picked, and now I will add these seed beads, passing through previous two seed beads, and after adding these two seed beads, I will add one more white pearl size 10 mm. I picked my pearl, next pearl, and now I will add this 10 mm size pearl. I will pick two more seed beads, size 8 golden seed beads, and now I will pass through my pearl, and then I will pass through previous two seed beads. In this way we will continue our work. I am making 7 inches long bracelet, and in this way bracelet I will be adding 6 pearls of 10 mm size, 6 pearls, and 5 stones, rhinestones of size 8 mm will be added in this pearl, in this bracelet. As you can see, very easy pattern. There is no difficult part to follow. So I hope all of my viewers, even beginners, can make this pattern jewelry very easily, and I hope it will be easy for all my viewers to learn this pattern. As you can see on screen, the next step, what will be the next step of our bracelet? I am adding these beads. I show you on my screens. On both sides we will use, on both sides we will add these bucco beads with seed bead, 2 bucco beads with 1 seed bead, and in this way we will enhance our bracelet beauty. As you can see, around our stone we have added these bucco beads, and now we will add around next stone these bucco beads in golden size 3 mm with 1 seed bead, 2 bucco beads and 1 seed bead. We will pass through golden seed beads, and very easily we can add these beads, and on both sides of our bracelet we will add these beads. I am using golden color, and if you like silver, then you can make this bracelet, this jewelry with silver beads, seed beads. It's up to you what color you like. I think, in my opinion, both of colors, silver and golden, will be looking gorgeous in this pattern. And now I'm completing by adding these beads to my bracelet. And now the last one I'm adding. After adding this, you can see we have enhanced our bracelet with these beads. Golden touch is looking very beautiful with our white pearls. Now I'm making finishing knots to secure my work, and after making several knots I will cut off the thread, my working thread, and in this way you can see my needlework is complete. Now at the end we will add one dangle bead, pearl bead, same size, 10 mm bead dangle. I am using it as a dangle with chain, and I have added one jump ring to it. On one end of our bracelet I added this dangle chain, and on the other end we will add our clasp with jump ring. Very easy steps, no difficult point here. So I'm adding here my clasp with jump ring, and by adding this jump ring and clasp, our bracelet will be complete. It's ready to wear. I named today's project my jewelry wedding bracelet, wedding earrings and wedding necklace, because it's very sparkly, very stunning jewelry. You can wear as a party wear, you can wear it as you wish. So now this bracelet is ready to wear. You can see, very gorgeous, very different stylish bracelet. And following the same steps of this bracelet tutorial, you can easily make your necklace as well. Only necklace length you have to decide which length you want. Now I am starting next tutorial, a short tutorial in which I will tell you how can you make following these steps, these pattern earrings, pearl and stone earrings. Very easy. I added in the beginning with the ear wire 3 pairs of stones, seed beads, then I added 1 stone, then I added 2 pairs of seed beads, then I picked 2 more seed beads with 1 dangle pearl. I added 1 head pin to this 10 mm pearl, and then make a loop, and then I use it in my earrings. It will be looking very beautiful hanging earrings. You can watch, you can see on your screens how beautiful these earrings are. Very beautiful, very stunning, sparkly. All materials are very well combination. I think it's a very good combination of colors, pearls and stones and golden touch. Hope you would like this tutorial today. Necklace, I think video will be very long. It will take very time, so I skipped the necklace, but easily you can make by following this pattern. You can easily make this necklace, this pattern's necklace. And now enjoy today's tutorial, today's project, today's jewelry which I made. Its pics, its final pics and its videos which I make always for my lovely viewers with love. Now I will say bye. Take care of yourself. Stay tuned to my channel. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.